The tip line is 1-800-CALL-FBI. This little girl, just 14 years old when she went missing, a track star scrubbed in sunshine. Abby Hernandez. Let's take a look at her. Repeat, tip line 800-CALL-FBI. Michael Bohr, WOAI. What can you tell me?
Well, she was last seen leaving her school. Her friends were on the school bus. They saw her walking out of her school about 2:30 in the afternoon. Her mom got home from her nursing job about 7 o'clock that night. She was not there. Her mom started panicking, called the cops. She has not been seen from since. There's been a massive search, air, ground, water, in ponds and rivers. No sign of this beautiful 15-year-old girl.
Justin Fryman on the story. I didn't quite understand that. The friends on the school bus saw her where?
The last she was seen was on the way walking home. And then there's the mother says that she did make it home, and actually police dogs followed her scent to the house and nearby woods.
Okay, so when the school bus friends saw her, she must have been getting off the bus and going to her home. Is that correct, Justin?
The last I see is that she was actually on foot. She was seen on foot leaving school.
Okay, so on foot, leaving school, and she did make it home. Out to Mark Class, president and founder of Class Kids Foundation. This is his specialty. What do you make of it, Mark? She made it home.
Well, we believe she made it home. Certainly dogs can be fallible, but you know, she is in the population of children that are the most vulnerable in our society. 20 years ago, this would have been just dropped as another runaway case, but now, extraordinarily, it's got multiple law enforcement agencies involved in it. It's almost like a nationwide Amber Alert, the kind of attention that this case has gotten. So hopefully, all of that attention will result in recovering her and hopefully recovering her alive. But one other thing, Nancy, she was going to have her 15th birthday right after she disappeared. So the idea that a 15-year-old girl or a to-be 15-year-old girl would run away the day before her birthday, I think is very hard to believe.